up liquor.
Man, you ain't enough on the head, my beauty.
See how you try
Enough on the head. When the cooks are like cussing to go cold. And that's why I'm trim.
You say you're here now, go brutal. Remember something tell you?
You know how brutal.
So what you grow your hair for?
Yo, dog, you have to just keep man.
Just keep one minute.
Trim your hair. You're a man. Bill vibes. So.
Watch out. Watch it, whatever.
You're a boy!
Watch out, like Byron. Watch it.
Cut it! Come in and go pan up with them. I'm fine.
He said, son, let me pass the purple ball. I hope it's free and I
Yeah?
purple
The
ball.
ball.
The purple ball.
Oh, God, no. God, no. I know me born them on YouTube. God. Nobody don't lick it, boy, you know. No.
Oh, that came about.
Yeah. Listen, me want to laugh what me cook. You have to say, all right, purple. Right. Hello? Just calm.
Lady, you know your favorite Reneto Adams. Can't pass for sister, you know. Hey, brother.
Not on no blouse and skirt full time
You related to Reneto Adams?
Yeah, me want to like him do too. Mash up my boy.
If you say you could have managed your job,
What you mean, man? What it happening?
well, say if you become the commissioner of police, you can be able to clean up Jamaica.
The Prime Minister, man, all he is, he just hype and I run down all kind of hype. I don't know what he doing. You need to go back to school. Not me. No, man in 10 grand can't go to hell. 10 grand can't even go to supermarket, brother.
It sound like them have pay people for turning a guinea pig.
Yeah, guinea pig.
Want to give them expired vaccine.
No, take it. I'll if you not expire, I still don't want it. Because they can't tell me why. Yeah, my life.
Viewers and subscribers, I just want to express my sincere gratitude for your view. Continue to view the Justin Blake channel. As a matter of fact, subscribe, click the notification bell. Never forget to leave a comment. Share this with everybody in your contact list. Until next time, walk good.